Hey, guys, what's up? It's your girl, Georgette here. I'm all sweaty, guys. I just came in from working out and I hop on here to bring you a video. Guys, thank you for visiting. And if you're new to me, hey, what's up? Come back again now. My channel is all about inspiring you guys and bringing you motivational videos, I have transformed my life so much in the past year. And when people message me or leave a comment in the box below and say, Georgette, I just love to listen to your video because you motivate me so much and you inspire me so much. That is the end goal. That is the end goal. That is what I strive to do because I have great mentors that has assisted me and give me the knowledge, but you have to be willing to learn. You have to be teachable. Oh my gosh, I've learned so much over this year. I've read so many books, but you have to be willing to learn and to be teachable. So guys, I just hop on here to give you a quick little talk. Don't know how long I'm gonna be. Have a meeting soon. But I want to talk about, especially this time of year, it's almost a holiday, guys. It's almost Christmas. And today's what, the 16th? Gee, we're 9 days away from Christmas. So a lot of people have New Year's resolution. I no longer agree with the New Year's resolution. I believe in life's resolution and setting goals. I believe in working towards your goal every day and not set New Year's resolution because that's not how it works. You don't set the New Year's resolution Christmas Eve, New Year's Eve, and then go about your business the rest of the year. You'll never accomplish your goal like that. And so what I really want to talk about is, do you procrastinate? Do you procrastinate a lot? A lot of people do, because I used to do too. I thought I'm an action taker back then, but as I look back, not as much as I should have been. So do you procrastinate a lot? Okay, as it's coming upon the new year, is it weight loss? You want to lose some weight? Are you procrastinating? How long ago you wanted to lose this 50 pounds? So I would say to you, if you procrastinate a lot, what procrastination is when you think within yourself you don't have all the answers. And guys, you will never have all the answers. It's like baking a cake. Have you ever tried to bake something or cook a meal and you're like, I don't know how to do it, but I'm going to try. And then at the end of it, when you're done cooking this meal, you're like, oh my gosh, this turned out better than I thought. Yeah? It has happened. It has happened to me. Not knowing how to do something. And then I'm like, oh my gosh, this turned out better than I thought. And that's what I'm sharing with you today. You will never know the outcome most of the time. And sometimes the outcome is much greater and bigger and better and sweeter. So if you're procrastinating right now and you're listening to me, wherever you're listening to me, whenever year you're listening to me, this is December 2020. It's almost Christmas, my favorite season of all time. And I just drop in here for a minute, do a quick video for you guys to say to you, if you're procrastinating at this time to do something, if it is a business you want to get started in, if it's a new position you want to go and apply for, and if it's weight you want to lose, while you're procrastinating, nothing is happening. You're not moving forward, you're not moving backward. Actually, you're perhaps moving backward because you're not moving forward. You're stagnant. And so I say to you, how to really get over that hump if you're procrastinating. Let me just give you personal stories about myself. If I'm procrastinating, about anything in my life, I always like to say, Georgette, it's because you're uncomfortable about, you don't know what's going to happen. And I feel like that's where you're growing. When you're like, I wonder if I should, I don't know. You're becoming fearful. And that's what happens when you're about to step into something new. You become very afraid. But that's when you're stretching yourself, guys. You're stretching. You're becoming a greater version of yourself, because if you're not stretching and if you're not growing, then what is happening in your life? And so many people are living their lives they're just not growing. They're stagnant. I always hear that word. Just not moving. And they just procrastinate about everything. I want to do that, Georgette. Georgette, I want to start jogging, Georgette. But it gets dark so quickly. Georgette, I want to get online, but I'm not tech savvy. Georgette, I journal sometimes, but I don't know if I can journal every day. I'm tired when I get in. Procrastinate. But I'll say to you how I have gotten over procrastination. And I don't think I was a big procrastinator. I don't believe, but I'm a new woman now, so I won't even go back. But if it's weight loss, let's talk about weight loss, because I'm big on fitness. As the year is ending and it's coming into the new year, I'd say to you, if it's weight that you are trying to lose, enroll in the gym. If it's gym, you want to go to the gym, enroll, pay your membership for at least 3 months. If you cannot afford a personal trainer, then buddy up with someone that keeps you accountable, that you both call each other and say, okay, I'm on my way. Are you on your way? Sometimes that's good and bad because you have the other person maybe procrastinating. Oh, it's raining today, man. Or it's cold. I don't feel like going. So it's also good and it's also bad. You see, I am headstrong and I am determined. So people normally don't affect me like that when I set a goal for myself. And that's where this big why comes in. My mentor said to me the first thing when I started my journey, he said, what is your why? You have to have a powerful why. That's what keeps you on the journey. And when you're procrastinating to do something, you remember the why. You don't have a choice because your why is so big. I don't have a choice. I have to do the things I do daily. I have to record a video for you, sweaty. Just came in from working out. My shirt is wet. I think I may have a spot on my shirt. Don't know if you guys can see it. My face is greasy. But I have a big why. And I've decided to do a video for the year. Leading into my 1 year of having my YouTube channel. I will do a video up until my 1 year mark. And that's what I've set for myself. And so when I feel like I want to procrastinate, I remember my why. And sometimes tears start to flow. And I say, Georgette, you have to press on. You got to do it. You cannot procrastinate about doing this thing. You got to do it. And so let's get back to how to really get over the hump of procrastinating all the time. And then you don't get anywhere. Enroll in the gym for at least 3 months if it's weight loss. Buddy yourself up with someone that's disciplined. Buddy yourself up if you cannot afford a personal trainer. With someone that is really disciplined in the gym. Look at someone that comes every day. And ask them if they live close by or if you guys can call each other just to keep you accountable. And then empty your pantry from all the unhealthy food and the sweets. You got to do it. And then have your clothing in your vehicle. If you go to the gym or work out after work, have your gym bag with all your clothing and everything right on the front seat. When you get into your car, it is right there on the front seat. If you don't have a car, have your clothing next to the bed when you wake up to take it with you in your backpack to work or wherever. No one is going to come and pat you on the back and pull you to accomplish your goals. I promise you that. No one is going to come and pull you by the hand. And the days when you don't feel like do it, no one is going to come and pull you. You're powerful. You're strong. Everything that you need is within you and I. You have to go deep within and pull that out of you. That's how you stop procrastination. You just got to want it bad, guys. Guys, I know I want it bad. There's so many things. Even as I started my business online, I procrastinated. I waited for a minute and then I said, Georgette, and I said, heck no, I'm going to sign up. When I started my mindset program, I listened to my mentor for about a week and then I said, I'm going to sign up. If I'm doing the same things over and over, I work hard, I push hard, but I'm not getting the result. And I saw my mentor and he's saying something else about mindset. Yeah? And he's showing the results. So I said, okay, I'm not going to procrastinate. I'm going to sign up. And so, guys, that's how you sort of force yourself to get over the hump of procrastinating. Know why you are doing what you're doing. Find yourself a buddy to partner with. You know, find yourself a mentor. Find yourself someone that has accomplished big goals. Find yourself someone that has manifested great things in their lives and ask them how they did it. And so as people procrastinate, you do not move forward, and sometimes you don't move backward either. You're just at a standstill. As the year is coming to an end, guys, don't you want to move forward? So many people are going to talk so bad about 2020. 2020 is going down in history as one of the worst years. But then some people are going to say 2020 has been one of the best years in their lives. Why is that? When we all live in this universe of abundance, how is it that you're going to have some person say, my gosh, I've accomplished so much in 2020. For me, I have accomplished so much. I have learned so much in 2020 that I can say 2020 has been an amazing year for me, guys. The lessons I've learned, the people I have met, the impact that they have made on my life that has caused me now to be wanting to impact millions of people around the world, which I will. Just from these same videos, millions of people will come into my channel and to be inspired and be motivated and in return transform their lives like I have done for me. So guys, how to stop procrastination? You just have to want it real bad. And when you want it real bad, then you're going to take the steps. And I gave you a few of that. If it's weight loss, if it's setting goals and manifesting, find people who have done it. That's the way to do it, guys. That's the only way to do it. No one is going to come and hold your hand and take you to the goal. No. And the road to it, it's bumpy. The road to it has red lights. The road to it has roundabouts where you got to go slowly. The road is not straight. The road has turns, and then there are roadblocks. My GPS always says rerouting. You know, and so you just have to want it bad, guys, and that's how you stop procrastinating. Only if you want it bad, you will stop the procrastination. As the year is ending, guys, do you want it bad? Stop procrastinating. Guys, I just hop on here to share with you. I love you so much, and I promise to bring you a video every day, whether I am sweaty, whether I just work out, or whatever it is. I want to be real with you guys and just share my journey. I have stopped procrastinating. Even last night, I did a Zoom with my 2 mentors, and they had a special guest, and he gave some really good tips and some pointers, and I started implementing them whilst I was on the Zoom. While I was on the Zoom, I was implementing. I wrote down everything that the guest speaker said, and I started implementing them immediately. You have to stop procrastinating, but you got to have a big reason why you need to stop it. Guys, I'm out of here. It's your girl, Georgette. I'm going to leave you more videos popping up. Keep watching, guys. I promise to inspire you and to motivate you each video I bring. And if you haven't subscribed, this is the time. Let's smash that subscribing, guys. Leave me a comment. Leave me a comment. Tell me what goals you are setting for 2021 for yourself. I perhaps can help you. I'm a life coach. I'm also a fitness trainer. I dabble my hands in many things. I may could give you some advice. So let me know what goals you're setting for yourself for 2021. If I can assist you, I certainly will. I'm going to leave you. I just did my ebook filled with a lot of good stuff you'd love to hear. I'm going to leave the link. Grab your free ebook, guys. I'm sending you a whole lot of love and light. Mwah! Bye-bye.